Good morning. I'm Mr. Walid. I'm an English teacher and I have a big family. So I have a very busy daily routine. First, I get up every day at 6 o'clock, get washed and dressed, and leave for work by 7:30. I get to college at 8 o'clock. I prepare my lessons and then teach until afternoon. The other teachers and I always eat lunch and talk together in the teacher's room. I teach again in the afternoon and then I correct my students' homework and tests. After I get back home, I help my kids with their homework. I have 3 kids in elementary school. Their names are Aaron, Nofel, and Karam. Then I do some exercise, eat dinner with my family, and watch TV before I go to bed at about 10 o'clock. We love to watch animal shows. Finally, I read in bed for my kids and for me. Few minutes before I fall asleep. This is Mr. Walid, and this is my daily routine. What is your daily routine? Please write it in the comment section, and I will give you feedback.